Our call for action team has fielded a number of complaints about a property management company based in Pittsburgh that has apartments here in the Buffalo area. And now we're getting more complaints from tenants of Burgo Realty after they were flooding out of their units. Our Jeff Preval has their call for action complaint. Jeff?
Well, Dave, this is the third time that we're reporting on properties owned and operated by Burgo Realty. Previous complaints include not having hot water and sewage backups at Burgo properties. This time, residents at a separate property have had to evacuate due to damage from flooding. Tenants on the ground floor of one building at Maplewood Apartments in the town of Lockport were flooded a month ago. This was after we had a series of winter storms that hit the area. Burgo Realty says there was a surge of storm water that overwhelmed the property's sump pumps, resulting in 8 units flooding, several hallways and laundry rooms flooding as well. The town of Lockport was able to clear storm drains. One tenant remains on the ground floor there still. She says this has been a nightmare.
Disgusting knowing that they couldn't do anything for me. And not only that, scared because of all the water seepage that there's black mold.
And the property has been in the process of remediation, but that hasn't been easy. Burgo says that one restoration company canceled on Burgo early on in the process. It's taken another company weeks to dry out the building, and there is still no date yet that's been set on when all the cleanup efforts will be complete. Burgo Realty says the company provided relocation options for residents impacted, but as you can see with Donna's situation, relocating isn't easy because of her mobility issues, but she does tell us she was finally able to find another place to live starting next week. In the newsroom, Jeff Preval, News 4.